I've been watching you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Motivation Monday video. This video is the second video in a challenge that's called 12 Weeks of Fall Cleaning Challenge, hosted by Sonia from Domestic Diva 76 channel. I am very excited to be participating in this challenge because not only do I like challenges like this, I love cleaning, as you know, and I need cleaning at this fall season. So I really hope you guys will enjoy this video. I hope you will get motivated and maybe clean along with me. Don't forget to check out Sonia's channel. I'm gonna link it in the description box down below. I will also link the playlist in the description, so check out the other participants and their cleaning videos. So in today's video, I am deep cleaning my living room, my front room, which is the reading room, and also since my foyer is kind of connected to it, I am cleaning that as well. I will also clean my dining room, and at the end I decided to clean my back patio, especially the windows, because cleaning the dining room and living room, I saw how those windows are really bad from the outside, so I needed to clean that as well. When I do a deep cleaning, I usually start from the top, cleaning the ceilings and any possible cobwebs, and then going my way down. The only thing I did not clean in this video are light fixtures, because that's gonna be a separate video, cleaning all the light fixtures in the house. For cleaning, I'm using my Method antibacterial multi-purpose spray in a citron scent. I am using it because it is that time of the year when everybody are getting sick, and I wanted to disinfect my house and make sure nobody gets sick, and that way I'll just be in peace knowing everything is clean.
Every time I close my eyes, it's gonna right up the other.
My dining room area was pretty dirty. The table I clean often, obviously, but the legs of the table and the chairs always end up being very dirty and sticky because of the kids, and especially the area around my daughter's high chair, the walls and baseboards and all that is always so dirty. I have to clean that very often.
nothing can come between you and I. My love, my love, my love. You are my reason for living, but you make me feel alive. You and I can't fight this feeling. My love, my love, my love. You are my reason for living, but you make me feel alive. You and I can't fight this feeling. My love, my love, my love. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love, my love.
If you enjoy watching these type of videos and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel and my video get promoted, and also it shows me you like this type of content. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, if you're coming from other participants in this challenge, I welcome you, and I would like for you guys to stick around and click the red subscribe button. It is completely free, and don't forget to click on notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future videos. For all of you that have been a part of my channel for a long time or a short time and that take time to watch my videos and comment on my videos, I want to thank you. You guys mean so much to me, and I'm very happy to have you. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I'm gonna post over here my handles so you can check it out. And as I said in the beginning of this video, I am heading back to my back patio to clean the windows and a few other things. And this toy chest was standing in front of the window, and I was just peeking behind to make sure there's no snakes. We had a couple of instances in our neighborhood, people finding snakes, especially copperhead, and I'm super afraid of them. So thankfully there was nothing behind except dead bugs and spiders. So I was able to get behind, clean all of that, and now everything is nice and clean. To clean my windows, I am using warm water and dish soap at first, and after that, since this is a deep cleaning, I am using spray away window cleaner to make sure everything is really clean. So while we are outside, I wanted to talk about our hammock. So as you know, you saw it a couple of times in our videos, we have this hammock, but unfortunately it broke over here and we needed a new one. So a company named Lavievert actually sent us one, and you can see it over here. Yes, it's in this small package and we love that about it. So we can just pack it and take it with us when we go camping or when we go to the lake. You can see how easy it is to be used either on a hammock stand like we have, or just to put it on a tree. It comes with those attachments, and I'll show you over here how fast I was able to pull it out and put it up. And that's it, literally. I was able to relax just for 30 seconds until my daughter called me. But I'm going to show you over here how wide it is. It is actually pretty wide for 2 people to lay on it. It is waterproof and it is very durable. It comes with 2 additional straps that you can use to strap to the tree or wherever you want to strap it to, and also it has a small pouch that you can hook it up on a hammock to put your bottle or anything else you need to put on. Check out the description box down below for a discount code for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to check out the playlist down below, as well as Domestic Divas 76 channel. Enjoy the rest of your day and I will see you soon. Bye guys!